speaks English, anyone?
I speak English, yes.
Where are you going?
Going to Germany.
And why did you leave your country?
Because there is nothing left there anymore. They destroyed all the factories. There is no more work. I had to leave to survive.
So basically you left your country because of the war, right?
No, the real reason is corruption and terrible leaders. War happened years ago. It's just an excuse.
Wait a minute, years ago. Where are you guys from? Afghanistan or where?
No, I'm from Ber'aq.
Ber'aq. That's in Iraq, right?
No, Ber'aq, tu, kod Vinkovaca.
Pa dobro, što onda pričaš na engleskom?
Pa pitao si ko priča engleski. Ja pričam.
A ti?
Pa ja pričam engleski.
Dobro, to znam, ali odakle si?
A i županje.
A ti?
Vukovar.
Pa dobro ljudi, šta? Ovdje nema Sirijaca, samo Hrvati.